Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging so the laptop can communicate with your phone. Once done, install the correct OEM USB drivers and the latest ADB tools on the laptop. This avoids device recognition issues. Make sure you back up important data to the laptop and charge the phone to at least 50% to prevent shutdowns mid-update. Now connect the phone via a good USB cable, approve the computer prompt, and confirm ADB sees the device. You next download the official factory image or the OTA package that exactly matches your device model and build to avoid bricking. After downloading, verify checksums so you know the package is intact, then extract everything into one organized folder on your laptop for easy access. If the update requires fastboot or sideload, install fastboot tools and reboot the phone into bootloader or recovery. Once in the correct mode, you're ready to run the proper flashing or sideload commands from the prepared folder. You execute the flashing sequence. Use fastboot flash commands for factory images or a DB sideload for OTA packages, following the exact order the image instructions specify. Do not interrupt the process. Once completed, reboot the phone and verify the new system version in settings. This confirms success. If something goes wrong, check the command output and logs for errors, re-verify the package checksum, try a different USB cable or port, and only then repeat the process or seek the OEM recovery procedure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.